Hello, everyone. I'm Stephen Kotkin, the Kleinheim Senior Fellow at the Hoover Institution here at Stanford University and the director of the Hoover History Lab. The Hoover History Lab uses history to address major policy challenges of today. We focus on war and diplomacy, economics and finance, science and tech, and politics and institutions. We call this consequential history when we use history to address contemporary policy challenges. We also emphasize next generation scholars and talent. We invest in our young people, and we want to give them the chance to become practitioners in what we do. We give them as wide a berth as possible, and I know you'll enjoy their work as much as I do. Thank you.